Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to activate the new vertical column on Google Chrome. Most of you find it difficult right now because it's currently on the experimental mode. So let's walk through it. So what you're going to do, go to your address bar and search for the word Chrome column / flag. Now click on that. Now you're going to see that currently this is the experiment columns where you have products that are yet to be released and so many other things. So on the search button here, just go ahead and search for vertical tabs, and by default it's on default. So you want to go ahead and click on enable and then relaunch your Chrome browser. Wait for it, it's going to relaunch. Now once it relaunch, now you should be able to right click on any tab. You will see where it says show vertical vertical column. So just click on that and boom, you have your vertical column here. So that is how to get your vertical column right about now. Thank you very much. Do well to subscribe and see you in the next video.